There go one right there. 2, 3. Which one you need? This is the one you're looking at right here. We got the table set up already. Boy, holla at your Rob Boy out here with a unboxing video for another embroidery sewing machine. This is the 15 needle, but it's a bigger version of the machines that I've been showing you guys. So I'm just gonna get into it. I see it's a little bit more heavy duty, so I definitely take that monitor off. I'm gonna crack that in. I already hit to that. So yeah, let's see the hoop size a little different. Everything. It's a bad job to crack my monitor, but you know, yeah, I got hopefully this one looks like it's undamaged, untouched, so I'm going with that. I'm happy with that. So yeah, guys, this is a little bigger hoop, so you know I can do a little bit more with it. So that's definitely why I wanted this. So you know, because I do some patches for the caps. I've been doing a lot of caps. Now I see what it is in there. This one came from California. Well, it came from overseas first, so let's get it. This is how it comes. So you guys can see it. So it should come like this. I got a couple things added in, so I pretty much know how to put these together. This one probably have to get a little information, just because I haven't did this one yet. But you can see I'm a veteran with the other ones. You're under dig. This one is around 400 pounds, while the other one is about, it comes out to about 300 pounds. So this is actually, like, altogether it's about 100 pounds more than the machine that I previously had. My plan is to get 2 of the small ones, 2 of the big ones. So hopefully I'll be getting another one of these soon. Only just because the area that I could do with it. So, and I'm definitely, that's what I'm looking forward to. I hurry up and get this thing, because it might rain, it might not rain, but I need to hurry up and get this stuff in the house, and then maybe I'll shoot some videos doing the setup. I don't know, maybe I'll not shoot a video, but I already did setup videos, and you know, they're cool, but they're not super cool. So I just need to get this thing in the house, most of all, if I waste, you know, like, if you can see it, like it's rain coming, so I need to hurry up, guys, and talk less. And so this comes in a little bit bigger box also, and but yeah, it's in here well better than the other one was, I'll say that. So all right, guys, I'll just clip these all together. I want to give you an update of a couple things of how I did it. I just took off this because I knew this was gonna bump coming in. I didn't want to take no chances with that. So that's an idea that y'all know. Take off the monitor before you get in there, because you'll bump anything. I ain't taking no chances. The last one I got, I seen what had happened, and that's the thing that runs the whole computer, so don't take no chances, guys. Even this, don't take no chance on the front. All right, we'll show you. I'll go take you out to the crate, see how I crack the crate open. It's me doing it all by myself. So I took it out the back way. So I took it, used that, took the top off, took all the things out of it. And I just took it out the back way, loaded it onto my little dolly thing. This thing just came in handy. You know, no way I could have got this thing back here by myself without it, so. Pro maker. This one comes almost pretty much assembled. Anyway, another thing about it, so you gotta be careful, because right here, this right here, on the smaller ones, this don't come assembled. A lot of this stuff. So, and like this, I even took this off, that little, I think it's a stop button, emergency stop button, I think it is. The only thing I could think it could be. So I'm thinking about is gonna probably pull it backwards up these stairs. That's how I've got all the other ones in, so I just pull it up, I just go step by step. And I basically wrap around the neck of it, and I just do it like a little back pull. I've been working out, so Besides, it's not even that much heavier than the other ones. It's just wider. So it's probably maybe 20, 30 pounds heavier, but you can't really tell that difference because it's distributed throughout the whole machine. So uh, yeah, guys, go we at it again. So, and the reason why I wanted to get this is because one, I just need to want to do bigger area projects. So with that said, that's why I'm working on had to get this. So I'm hoping that this exchange maybe one more of mine out, like sell it or something, and just get another one of these. So I have 2 big ones and 2 little ones. That's my ideal dream to do if I could sell it. One of the ones I have, because I have 3 small ones, other smaller ones, area ones. So yeah, guys. So this is where it's at. So and that's where I want to be. So the things I want to do and what I need to do. So this one is a little bit more heavier duty. It's built well. It's well built. So I think this is basically compared to Racoma. It's a very similar machine. I mean, it's probably the same thing, just different names. So this is the way I'm gonna go with mine. If and I suggest if you plan on doing more embroidery in the future, just go step up, pay a few extra bucks, and just get this one. I'm gonna see how it runs later. That'd be more videos, see how it runs compared to the other one, speed and everything else like that. But I also have to learn this. I see this thing got a lot of more knobs and gadgets. So let me get this in the house. It'll probably be another video of it just together, because I mean, it's pretty much put together to me. The only thing I told you guys is I took the monitor off right here because I don't want to bang it coming into the door. And that's pretty much it. For now, I'll get back to you guys with another update. Maybe once I get it in the house or whatever. At least I know I can get it to here. If I can't get it up the stairs, whatever, I'll just wait till my friends come. But right now, I'm feeling real froggy. So that means I'm gonna take a leap and just see what I could get, what I could do. So, all right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing giveaways soon. So thank you very much. Guys, hey, if y'all looking for the instructions, in the smallest box out of all the boxes. So just in case y'all looking around, you can't find the instructions, look for the small box with the I mean, the instructions are not that big. You see, just like a sheet of paper, but at least you get to see what it's put together. But it's in the smallest box. Cause just happened to me myself. I'm looking around, like where is it at? And it's in the smallest box. So it's a nuts and bolts box, okay? And you can see this one ain't got that many nuts and bolts compared to the other one. If y'all see my other videos, but so here we go, guys. Getting into it. To show you how simple the instructions are, just in case you lose it. This is it right here. You can slow it down. Let's keep this for a while. Like pretty much it's almost all assembled except for like 3-4 pieces, I guess. So you can see that's already assembled for me. Thank you. And yeah. There's an update to me putting the stand together. Say the stand is pretty simple, straightforward, but you're gonna definitely have to do it by hand. It's the only thing is that there's no way to get a bit in there. The other ones I've been using this bit, but there's no way I could get a bit in there to use that. So I had to do it by hand, so it took a little bit longer. But the end result, yeah, see, it's pretty nice. All right, it's a nice sturdy stand versus that stand right there. It's a little bit more heavy duty. See the other machines right there, one behind me. Had to figure out a way to get all of them into this place. It's like a little small office, so you know, hopefully it this fits in here perfectly. So, you know,